Hey, what's up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today we're going to be fixing my broken truck mirror with some glue that every single one of you should have. There's a link in the description. We'll talk more about it in the video.
Here's our PL glue that we've used in a bunch of other videos. This is something that I think everybody should have, as well as a caulking gun. It'll glue like everything back together. You just got to let it dry. We're also going to use some tape here, and of course we need our mirror. So this is the side that we actually want, then this is the back side. Anyway, so this is the hot glue that I have gobbed on there last time. These are the spots of hot glue that I believe were factory. We have the two up here, which would be up here, and the two big side ones, which would be on either one of these sides. I'm gonna get all of that off of here. The bottom housing of this is a little cracked, so throw a little extra glue on there while we're doing this. PL glue down inside the mirror here too. Just gonna take a piece of this this old glue, smear that around, glob on right there, glob there, glob there, and a big glob there, and that should be enough to hold our mirror on. Do this. I've also got the tape right nearby, hanging around the camera lens here, and should be able to slide it right there, right back to where it was factory. And that's gonna stay, but just in case it doesn't want to, I'm gonna take some masking tape here. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Once this dries up in about 24 hours, I'll peel the tape off and it will be fine. If you don't believe me, go check out my other video. That stayed on that car for almost 2 years. 2 winters, I believe it was 2 winters, yeah. So I'm completely confident this is going to last a very long time. You should have this glue around your house for either automotive or any kind of fixes. So I will leave a link to the glue in the description. You'll pick yourself up a caulking gun. I will also leave a link to one of those if you don't have one. Well, try to find one at a yard sale maybe. You get it a little bit cheaper. But that's going to be it for this one, guys. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Too, you can check out my Patreon so that you get these videos earlier than everybody else. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out. Make it brighter.